for another Bad Blade review video. Yesterday I had plans of putting a video up, but ran into some phone issues, so I'm on a backup phone right now. New one will be here later this week. So, let's go ahead and just jump into this here, because this could potentially be a little bit longer as I talk about a few things. But I've got the CBL Soap Pineapple Cilantro Banana. I originally asked him for pineapple cilantro, and it's just an amazing scent. I first heard of this scent from Rod at Sterling Soaps, and then he had it in bath soaps and stuff like that, and then I had Chris, I told him, like, hey, you know, this scent, it works. Pineapple and cilantro works together. Make it into a shave soap, and he did, and I have some of that. But then it was like, I don't know, one day Dave, Chris, and I were just talking, and I'm like, hey, take that pineapple cilantro and throw some banana in it. Let's just see what happens. And this is what you get. It is absolutely amazing. You get the pineapple, you get the banana, and then the cilantro note is like a really fresh, light green note that just pulls it all together so it's not overly sweet. It works. It's awesome. So I scoop a little bit of those out. I use one of my little soap spatulas that I keep around, and I just put it into my Timeless bowl. So we're going to do that. And then I have my new TSC first anniversary brush. I'm going to use it for its second time. Look at how beautiful that brush is. Absolutely beautiful. Eric did an amazing job. And then as far as the blade goes, so let's jump into that. I'm going to use the Baili Super Blue. These are made in China. We'll talk more about that, but here's what it looks like, so you guys can see. It's a pretty common blade in the market in the cheap range. So they are double wrapped at least, so that's cool. And one side it says here, Baili Super Stainless, and then on the other side it's in what I'm assuming is Chinese or Mandarin or something like that. So I can't read it. So I'm going to go ahead and load that up into my Timeless razor that I've got out on the counter. Here we go. Good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and pause you guys, build the lather, and I will be back in just a second. All right, we're back. Let's go ahead and jump into this. That brush is absolutely amazing. What a great lather. And before we jump into this and get started, I just wanted to say there is a contest that we're running right now. So if you are subscribed to the TSC channel, which is what you're watching right now, make sure that you go back to www.theshavingcadre.com. Under General Shaving, there is a thread for a contest that if you are subscribed, you are automatically entered. You got to be subscribed and obviously a member. You're automatically entered to win a tub of the CBL soap. So make sure you're doing that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and head over to the Cadre and get signed up. There's still plenty of time to do that. So go ahead and begin this shave. I'll be honest with you, I'm a little bit nervous about this one. Baili is a company in China, like I mentioned. They were established in 2002, and they make a bunch of cheap knockoff Chinese razors. If you've got one of those razors that like mimics a old-time Gillette, it's either a Weishi most likely, or it's a Baili. And it's not comfortable. This is pretty bad, actually. This is pretty bad. And it's even coated with a platinum Teflon coating. Lots of tugging, lots of pulling. Not quite as bad as that Graham-Field blade or that Assured blade. That were the bottom of the trash pile, but maybe it's starting to smooth out a little bit. Gotta take it slow though. But yeah, so it's even platinum Teflon coating, and I've been talking up a lot about these coatings lately, but I think this right here is just proof that even if it's coated, still has to have a good edge on it, right? You can't just do one or the other. That was not a comfortable first pass at all. I'm gonna pause you guys and rinse, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I added a little bit of water to the lather because I wanted it to be a little bit more slicker because of how bad the blade is. So that's why it looks a little bit thinner than what I used on the first pass, but that was on purpose. I want to up the slickness as much as possible. I'm foregoing cushion and going to slickness, and as you can see, cut there from the first pass. Cut there from the first pass. Not good. I guess we can talk about it. They claim that these will last up to 2 weeks. No. I don't think so. You know, it's blades like this that people get nervous when they see a blade made in China. This is just not good. We need a little bit more right here. Oh man, see, I'm trying to compensate for why the blade's bad, but now I'm losing cushion. Oh no, this blade sucks. I'm tempted just to call it. To be honest with you. But I think I'm gonna go with it. Another cut. 1, 2, 3. No. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not putting myself through this torture tomorrow. We're gonna call this blade. I haven't done this in a while. I should have done this with the Gramfield. I should have done this with the Assured. I'm gonna do it here. So I'm gonna pause you guys, clean up a little bit. I'll be right back. But I'm not completely done with my cleanup, but I've got to do this. Pull out the styptic. So I figured you guys deserve to see this, and plus I realized I didn't talk about pricing. It's not sold at Maggard's, Italian Barber, or West Coast Shaving. You can find them at Amazon. Ow, that hurts. A 200 pack for $15.95, about 8 cents a blade. So about 8 cents a blade, which in the grand scheme of things isn't a bad price, but not for this. Anything over free or paying someone to use them is a bad price as far as I'm concerned. So I was going to finish the cleanup. I just got to clean up the brush and let this styptic dry, and then we'll do aftershave. That's not going to be fun. I don't even know what to use. I'm having a hard time deciding. Let's see. What would be a fun one to use with it? I haven't used this in a while. Barbasol Pacific Rush. So first, I don't know if you guys do this, but when you use styptic, you kind of want to, after it's sealed up, you kind of want to rinse it off. Oh, got a little bit in my mouth. Yeah, today was not good. I'm glad for the initial run of my new brush yesterday. That stuff came up and I didn't use it. Didn't use that. I did use the brush yesterday. And I used the soap that came with the Oud Mineral, which was fantastic. Yesterday's shave was awesome. Today's shave, not so good. Let's see if there's razor burn. There it is. Oh, that burns. One sec. Sorry guys, for some reason I lost audio there. I'm not sure what happened. So, but anyways, I did the aftershave. It was uncomfortable. The blade is gone. It's going to get a trash rating. That blade's not good, and as you can tell, because of the technical difficulties that I'm facing, we're just going to be done with recording videos until it gets here. It's supposed to be here hopefully Wednesday, so I'm going to be taking a break from videos until the new phone gets here. I don't think I have a choice. This old phone is even older than the last one and just not enough space. So aside from that, remember the yard sale starts tomorrow, and we got the contest going, and don't buy Baili blades. Aside from that, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the cadre. Bye.